JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your Barclays online banking account. So to do this, just head on to any browser in your phone and then here just search for Barclays online banking. And in the top corner, you're going to see the open an account button. You want to press that right there and wait for it to load. So when you're opening an account, make sure that here you will have your account ownership, personal info, account info, funding info, and accept your terms. So those are the steps that you'll have to go through when you're doing Barclays. So here, if you already have an account, you can log in now. But if you already started an application, you will have to continue it. So all the account owner will need is their social security number or taxpayer identification number. So you'll also have your external bank routing and account number. So here, the account ownership will just be you, so single account. So just press continue. For there, you will have to put on your personal information such as your first, last name, social security number, date of birth, email address, primary phone number, I apologize. And then here, you will have to do your permanent address, city, state, zip code, occupation, login information will be next, of course. Password has to be strong since you're using it in a bank, your mother's maiden name, and your security question. You will have to select from the rows of security questions right here and the answer to that security question. So if you want to enroll into two-factor authentication, you can also do so right here and then just press continue. From pressing continue, you will have your account info started and your funding info started. And then you'll have to accept their terms. And from there, you'll have an open Barclays online banking account. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.